स्वागत है दोस्तों आपका इस नए वीडियो में। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ JBL TUNE 500 हेडफोन्स। 2500 रुपए के हेडफोन्स हैं। मैंने ब्लू में लिए हैं। Amazon पे आपको ब्लैक और व्हाइट के अंदर ही मिल जाएंगे। अब जल्दी से कर लेते हैं इसकी क्विक अनबॉक्सिंग और उसके बाद मैं आपको बताऊंगा साउंड टेस्ट का रिजल्ट। दोस्तों ऑडियो टेस्ट काफी अच्छा गया। जो मिड्स और हाइस थे काफी अच्छे थे दोस्तों, लेकिन बेस जो था काफी एम्फेसाइज था क्योंकि ये JBL के एक्स्ट्रा बूस्ट वाले हेडफोन्स हैं। जो एक बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि हेडफोन्स के ऊपर एक कुशन पैडिंग दी गई है यहाँ पे। ये हेडफोन्स की क्वालिटी तो बहुत ही अच्छी है। मतलब यहाँ पे अगर थोड़ा सा कट्स वगैरह भी होंगे या फिर टेयर होगा, सो इट वॉन्ट बी लाइक विजिबल because the padding is this way. It's not a smooth padding. So it actually is better for like a rough and tough use. This is better. Plus this padding right here, dosto, this one right here, for the build quality, I definitely give them a 10 out of 10 because it just feels very premium, just how JBL always does. And overall, it's lightweight. The sound is really, really good. You can see this right here. It's foldable completely. It's not 360 swivel, so it's not like fully swiveling. Till here you have, these are flats slightly, but here you have fully, and you can turn these here, so they also become portable and you can carry them around. They're not much bigger than this Android phone, you know. You can hold both of them easily. And 1.2 meters cable, pretty good. Left and right indicated, obviously. You can see they look really, really good and they have a good build quality, so they will be lasting you for a while. The cushioning on top, very comfortable, very lightweight, and they just feel amazing to listen to and also feel amazing to wear. That is an important thing. Some headphones, they get them and they're just too heavy to listen to, too tiring for you. But honestly, I would say these are better than my JBL 700 BTs because those sometimes feel a bit heavy. They don't have they stay lightweight and foldable design here, but they're not really lightweight. They are foldable though. But the only thing that you're losing out here if you get these instead of any other Bluetooth headphones, JBL or not, is that you do not get Bluetooth with this, guys. So Bluetooth is not an option present, and that might be a deal breaker for some of you guys. But if you can compromise on the Bluetooth, you should definitely get these headphones. If you just want to sit on your desk, maybe connect to your PC, or just want to sit and listen on your phone, definitely get these. This aux cable is gold plated and there's a bit of a tilt here. It's not a complete L like you usually get with completely non-breakable headphones. What this prevents you from doing is breaking it, because sometimes you plug in, you're like turning it and stuff. So it can be broken very easily, but these ones, not really. Right here, that's JBL branding. It's gold plated and sounds amazing. Plugs into 3.5, pretty loud, pretty good sound. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Also comment down below what do you think I should review next. Thank you.